What is up, YouTube? Today I'm testing out the FiberFix heat wrap to see if it'll be able to stop my exhaust leak. So here I have a 2003 E320 Mercedes-Benz with the broken cat from the upstream. I know that the upstream is totally detached from the assembly, but I'll give it a try and see how long it'll hold on for. And if you're having the same issue, you'll not only thank me, but after this video you should definitely drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Now I followed every step by cleaning the area needed to wrap. Now wrap the aluminum wrap. After goes the main coated wrap, then cure it with a heat gun. If you don't have one, you can use your girlfriend or boyfriend's blow dryer for about an hour or so. Now you're all set to go. Well, if you're asking how long it lasted about an hour and a half until it started sounding like this.
Bang, 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 bang.
Well, there goes $30 wasted on FiberFix. The wrap came off before uninstalling the exhaust. The FiberFix is definitely not going to work, so after 2 days of driving the car sounding like coronavirus, I decided to weld the exhaust. I went to Home Depot and rented a 140 amp Lincoln welder for $52.60. With practice, I was able to finish before 4 hours and reinstall the exhaust the same day. There you have it, YouTube. If you like the video, drop a like, and if you want to see more E320 fixes, let me know in the comment below, and I might be able to help you. Yes, sir.